I don't know what's the meaning, but I know it's strong and it's over you. All I want is to be home with you. Oh, oh, I'm coming right back. Oh, oh, living without you is a no, no. I'm coming right back. Oh, 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 I wish you were here. Yeah, I wish you were here. Music is better and lights are brighter when you are near. And I'm making it clear, the music is better. And right now I just wish you were here. Oh, oh, right now I just wish you were here. Oh, oh, right now I just wish you were here. Every night, a different city, bright lights. Should be pretty, but they can't compare, no, to the light from you. All I want right now is to be home with you. Oh, babe. Oh, oh,
I'm a diva. I'm a diva. I'm a diva. I'm a diva. I'm a diva.
Go, or prevention of acne. Mango Sinsok. Remember yan, itagdag ko sa inyo. The next is the special skin treatment for melasma and pigmentation and whitening. Anong sino gumagamit ng Kojic with cleansing tonic oil?
Ay, all of marami. Yeah.
Marami? Okay, see. I think 3 days to see.
Yes.
Yeah, na-impress ako sa tonic oil nito. It's like a pure supplement oil in my clinic in the Philippines. Akala ko nasa Japan ako, ay nasa US. Kasi ang clinic ko nasa US ako.
Shaka!
It's a Miss Universe. For this event. Masaya and Merry Christmas. Okay, with cleansing tonic oil, alam niyo yung procedure, right? It's an application for 3 days. It has healing effect and whitening effect. It has that too. So the reason why I'm here, na-convince ako pumunta dito, because it's on this 3-tip rewind 1 and 2. It's really very effective. Kasi ang melasma, hirap talaga tanggalin mo. I use laser, I use vitamin A, I use a lot of acid. Pero when I tried it after 3 days, ang laki na improvement niya. So you can suggest that to your clients. We have the body whitening, whitening facial cream, RP. Lahat dito puro whitening. Pero na-notice naman ako po sila ng mga taga-Tacloban. Kasi puro whitening. Pero suggestion ko lang, no? If you found the right cream for you, imitate nyo na yun. Huwag yung iba kasi baka masila ako. Para sa pag-aasawa rin yun eh. Kung nakita mo na yung right, stick ka na doon. Kasi kung mag-try ka pa ng iba, baka masulo. Magka-melasma, di ba meron naman duty. Hindi ko natatagalan to dahil naging birthday ko. Merong dito, rated PG. Itong breast cream, pampalaki ng suso. Sino ba naman yung suso dito? Paki-explain mo yung
So yung breast cream full and firm is coming from a plant called Corallia nigrifila. It's an anti-cancer din po. Tsaka safe pa siya gumamit kasi topical lang siya, minamassage na siya. Hormonal din po siya.
Yeah, ang kaibigan dito, mga products sa oil noong taon, dahil from the natural source. Ang pang-breast nito, kasi meron siyang chemical na naglilinis na natural female hormone. Kaya, lumalaki yung breast,
Secondary sex characteristics.
lumiliit yung boses, maganda yung katawan, pinipilis ang katawan. Ayun, may natural
Effect.
female hormone kasi. Ito namang male gel. Sino na kailangan ng male gel? Sure. Ito, ay napasok kasi dito. You have to apply this before, I'm going to intimate, contact with a partner. Kulang ba ang rated PG? Kulang ba yung reaction dito? Food acidification. Ikaw, na nagamit ka na? Hindi mo ba? Hindi na.
Joke lang ate.
Okay, thank you mga models. So that means, itong nail gel is very effective. Meron din kasi siyang content na male androgen effect. So, ang nangyayari, it increases the blood circulation. Siyempre, pag nag-increase yun, medyo lumalaki yan. Diba? Tsaka ang direction niya is medyo. Kaya, mag-enjoy partner mo, at the same time, mag-enjoy ka dahil na-infuse ng sal. Teka, sino naman gumagamit ng gumamit pa kayo ng virgin soap? Hindi pa dumating.
Hindi pa dumating. Ngayon lang dumating. Today lang.
So,
Bukas, ubus na.
bukas ito sila. This is a virgin soap. Virgin pa? Lubot? Teka, virgin soap to ginagamit sa baba, Teka, sino ba yung gagamit dito sa bunganga?
Ay!
Parang virgin lips. Virgin soap. Yeah, these are the products na talaga nakaka-improve. Sayang yung PowerPoint sana kung meron. Kasi may mga picture pa ako na gusto maging virgin. For the Shield Curling Lotion. Ganda. Sige, turuan mo ako. This one. No, actually ito, this is topical. Sa area lang na pinapala nila. Doon na mag-improve. Kaya mga boys, mag-ingat kayo ha. Baka instead na mail dyan ang malagay nyo, itong tour mo. After 1 month na gamit, ito lumiit ka na gusto. Just be careful, no? Kasi minsan mali na kami nagagamit, lalong lumiit. Nasabihin mo, hindi effective dito. Yeah. So, to stay long here kasi everybody's enjoying. If you want to ask question, really need it. I'm an aesthetic dermatologist. I'm based in Manila, and my specialty is the Botox injection, fillers, and the needles. Napapanood nyo yung commercial ko dito with Kiara Reeves. Umaabot ba dito yun? Kiara Reeves, yung gluta tayo sa cable. Yeah. Kami nila Rita Avila. Umabot mo sa Pagloka? Oh yeah. Umabot din lang sa Dubai. Okay, thank you very much. I know may natutunan sila, may natutunan ako. Ingat ha, don't lose this.
Hindi yung recruiting ko para makuha ko yung gusto niya at mag-hire tayo sa seminar. I strongly disagree. In fact, I want products to speak by itself. Madali mo lang. Be a product of the product. By the time you are convinced of the goodness of the product, you're unstoppable. And the only person who can express fully gaano kaganda yun, it's only you. It might be good to her, it might be best to you. Depende yan sa inyo eh. But ikaw lang ang taong exactly maka-describe what you feel. So kung anong na-experience mo, yun din yung drive mo to share that to others. Okay? So ang unang batch ng products na I formulated and manufactured for MS ay simple lang po, cappuccino coffee. Remember, coffee is an acidic solution. Cancer cells proliferate in an acidic environment. Number 1 cause of hormonal imbalance among young women is the too much consumption of caffeine. So, kayo na lang pag-uwi nyo assignment. Tingnan nyo sarili nyo sa salamin. Tingnan yung muso nyo kung mayroong bang bigote lang itong mga babae. Pag meron kang bigote rito, nagtaas na po ang iyong aldosterone. So therefore, malapit na po kayo sa polycystic ovarian syndrome. So you will suffer from endometriosis and painful menstruation. Ayan. Sige, inom mo na yung Landovinas. So don't drink soft drinks. Take coffee, which is alkaline. That's why I formulated that para na, kasi part ng diet ng Pilipino kape, di ba? There are people who cannot live without coffee. So I made a coffee that is alkaline. It has the algae cryptomonadales. And this is good for diabetics because this is low in sugar. Okay? So pwede na mga diabetic ko dito uminom. Okay. I brought along sachet. On here. So this is the sachet for you to drink. Kahit yung bahala. And then another is, that is hot. And I have here the Crypto Moringa juice. You wonder this is only 8 grams. Because this is absolutely no sugar. This is the thing that sweetens this system is fructose. So, diabetic people again, do not be afraid that your sugar levels will shoot up. Now, the good thing in this, why I formulated this, there are already a lot of irresponsible mothers nowadays. They don't know how to cook. That's why children does not know, your children don't know how to eat vegetables. Ang masakla pa, ang bata pinapainom pa ng soft drinks. Pinapainom pa ng mga artificial drinks. Always remember, when there is the word fruit juice, fruit drink, pag sabing fruit drink, that is artificial. Pag sabing fruit juice, meron niyang juice talaga ng fruit. It might not be that 100% concentration. So, but there is a part of that na meron talagang extract. So, this is only 8 grams, but this is equivalent to the nutrients na makain sa bata sa isang araw kung kakain siya ng gulay. So kung ang bata hindi makakain ng gulay for that day, painumin niyo ng juice nito. Put this in cold water and add ice cubes. This contains also calamansi, but this is not a flavor. It is an extract. So maramdaman niyo ang lasa nito. Para siyang it quenches your thirst, lalo na mayroong ice cubes. Now, I'm talking of the children. What about the adult? The young ones. Because this is high in vitamin A and vitamin E. This is best for your skin. So, pampaganda, lalo na may mga pimples. Okay? Sa medyo nagka-edad-edad, hindi pa tayo matanda. Sa nagka-edad-edad. This help you balance your hormone. Because this contains gamma, linoleic acid. At sa mga matanda, etong maganda dahil this thing contains anthocyanidin. This prevents cancer. Breast tumors. Kaya nito. Okay? Next is the guayabano is already processed. Our vaccines are delayed. So, expect that January. Tapos na po, nakasasay na, but still in the planta na. No? Okay? Then, we have the liniment. Sana yung liniment natin. Will you please try to pass that to them? Can I have this? This is only very, very small. This is only 8 ml. But what is this thing all about? A roller. Ilagay lang sa palad, like this. hanggang mabasa yung palad ho ninyo, then rub it, like that, hanggang uminit, then inhale. Okay? Put it here, rub it, then inhale. Yung deep inhale, maramdaman nyo yan. Pinakadulo ng baga nyo po, tapos papasok mo ito. Oh, will you please try? Okay, ano ang nandiyan? That's why you have to rub it because it does not contain alcohol. It is a pure extract of what? Number 1, it contains the famous ilimay oil extract. You know what is ilimay? An extract coming from the pili nut. Okay. Sunod na extract niyan, that contains your lemon peel. Balat ng lemon at balat ng kalamansi. For what purpose? Lemon contains limonene, which is pain reliever. Your calamansi, the source of your vitamin C. That also contains mandarin oil. Galing pa rin sa balat ng mandarin orange. Anong nandiyan? Mandarin oil contains quercetin. So therefore, allergies and asthma, yung malapit ka nang atakihin, like that. Wala na yan. Kasi bronchodilator at mag-remove din na allergy. That contains frankincense. Ang frankincense po ay galing pa ng Israel. That's why that is costly. Galing Israel yung frankincense. Para saan yung frankincense at yung ilimay? Sila po yung anti-fungus, antivirus, and antibacteria. Then your frankincense, that removes the venom. So kung kayo'y makagat sa ahas, makagat sa insekto, just apply that directly to the wound. Mawawala, yes, mawawala po ang kanyang venom, ang kanyang poison. Okay? Now, what if masugatan ka? Fresh wound. Apply that to the wound. Bleeding stops, no inflammation. Ganun katindi yan. Alam ba ninyo, ang ligaw sa Unilab sa akin yan, matindi. Pinagtaguan ko. Bakit? Mayaman na ang Unilab. Pag ibinta nila yan, mahal din. Gusto ko maabot yan sa kaya sa masa. Yun ang gusto kong ibigay yan. Okay? So, you can have it and you'll never find that to any company. That liniment was just registered last week. Tapos na po ang AC niyan, pati registration. So, yun po siya. Okay? So, anong na-experience nyo? Okay, one last thing. Pag naghimatay yung tao, nag-collapse, kasi hindi nakakain o like that, paamuyin lang ninyo. Balik na rin ang kanyang mas-stimulated din siya. So, that is how good it is. Okay? So, that is your liniment. Now, another, I have this. Crypto AG. Hindi Crypto Aga. O Crypto Agawon. Nangyari lang ang AG, ay AG din apelido ko. Hiram ko apelido pala kasi sa asawa ko yun. No? So, AG comes from the symbol of silver. Diba, mga young ones? Anong symbol ng silver?
AG.
Oh, sabi ko lang. Hindi ba kayo nangupya ng inyong chemistry? The subject that I taught in LaSalle is chemistry. Hawak ko po ang nuclear chem, biochem. Okay? Then, ano po ito? I call this as an emerald soap. This is a transparent soap. Now, hindi lang maganda yung negosyo to. Dahil ito yung totoong sabon. Matagal malusaw. Matagal magbili ulit. So, matagal pa rin sunod yung kita. Tubo. Kasi matagal malusaw. Now, this thing, I call this crypto. Dahil what brings about the color green is not artificial. This comes from the blue-green algae. This is an extra. So, moisturizing effect, anti-aging effect, ay andito po sa sabon na to. Now, the action of your silver colloidal, is antimicrobial, meaning this kills bacteria, kills viruses, kills fungi. So therefore, babies, di ba maraming problema ang bata kasi mga nanay ngayon tamad, nag-diaper ang bata 24 oras. So ang daming diaper rush. Gamitin nyo to. So, mga mabaho na kilikili. Yung ating mga singit na medyo umiitim-itim na because of fungal infection, ito gamitin nyo to. Then, mga babae closer to menopausal stage, wala na po ang ating vaginal pH. Hindi na po acidic. That's why, ang babaeng nasa menopausal stage, parati pong kumakati ang puwerta. So, pag nakakita nga ako ng babae naka-slacks at medyo middle ng edad, alam ko na yon. Kasi pag kumati, idukot ng bulsa. Malapit na lang yun eh. Pag umupo yan, iwigil ko lang puwet. Ligo lang. Kasi nga, makate. Because of Candida albicans. So, ito po ang pampatay doon. And this is organic. Now, mga babae may pimples, use this. Ito ang isabon nyo sa mukha dahil pimples are normally product or nagawa yan siya dahil sa ating hormonal shift. But because of the presence of the pimples, open yung skin, tendency kayo po ay ma-infected ng bacteria. That's why siya po magiging may mga pus secretion. Ito po siya ang, you try this, your skin will be soft. That's why this is good for babies. Okay?
Club arrogant like yeah, top like money so the girls just mail. One too many, y'all know me like 12. Look like cash and they all just there. Bottles, models, better no shares. Fall out cause that's the business. All out is so ridiculous. Zone out, so much attention. Scream out, I'm in the building and they're watching. I know this, I'm rocking, I'm rolling, I'm holding. I know it, you know it.
You know I know how to make them stop and stare as I zone out. Club can't even handle me right now. Watching me, I go all out. The club can't even handle me right now.
Hey, still feeling myself, I'm like out of control. Can't stop now, more shots, let's go. 10 more rounds, can I get a KO? Paparazzi tryna make me pull. Came to party till I can't no more. Celebrate cause that's all I know.